Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Novanak from Doctor's Choice Physical Medicine Rehab in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. And today we're going to talk to Ray about her experience she had at Doctor's Choice with her back and her knees. What's your name?
Ray Ellen Gauntlet.
And where are you from, Ray?
Branchdale.
Branchdale. And what brought you into Doctor's Choice?
Well, I couldn't walk. I did something to my lower back and went right down my leg, and I had to be wheeled around here in a chair.
So you have back pain and leg pain.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember the day you came in. You couldn't walk down the hall. I
couldn't.
had to wheel you in a chair.
Mm-hmm.
And how long were you hurting before you came in?
2 days for that.
Yeah. And was there anything that brought it on specifically?
No, I stood up.
You stood up,
all
and
I
that
did
was
is I
it.
stood up, and it was
Yeah. And do you have any history of back problems at all?
no.
No. This is the first time you had a back problem.
Yes.
And so we examined you, we treated you, and what type of treatments were you getting?
Physical therapy and chiropractic.
And how's your back doing now?
It's great. There's no pain. Doesn't bother me at all.
And that was about a month ago when we were wheeling you around.
Yes.
So I guess when you were that bad, you couldn't do much around the house at all
I
then.
can do anything. I can barely walk.
And now you can do almost anything you want to.
Mm-hmm.
Now in the course of treatment, you asked us to take a look at your knees too. You
Yes.
told us you were having problems with your knees.
Yes.
Was it both knees or one knee?
Both knees, but more on the left leg than the right.
Okay. And did you see other doctors for this?
Yes.
And what did they say was wrong with
They
it?
said I had arthritis.
Arthritis in both knees.
Mm-hmm.
And we did some treatment for that too. For that, it was mainly, I think, the physical therapy that we did.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And we started with that about 2 weeks ago, I think it was, maybe?
Yes.
And how are your knees doing now?
They're doing really well. There's one that sometimes it hurts a little bit, but nothing like it
Not
did.
too bad. So, what couldn't you do because of your knees before?
Well, I couldn't bend, at the knee. It was hard to go up and down steps.
Steps are hard, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I think you said you had a hard time walking too, that you're walking funny.
Yeah, I was walking funny.
So are steps still difficult and walking still funny, or?
No, the walking isn't too bad. The steps, it just depends on. It's me. It's if I go to put too much weight on that.
Well, the strength isn't there. You've only been
Right.
working on it for 2 weeks, but in those 2 weeks you saw a big difference.
Yes, I did.
Yeah. So how did you hear about Doctor's Choice?
From a coworker,
From a coworker? You don't want to tell her name, huh?
Bonnie.
Well, Bonnie used to work for us.
Yes.
But would you recommend other people to Doctor's
Absolutely.
Choice?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks a lot, Ray. Appreciate
You're welcome.
you coming in and letting us do this.
Okay.